Hey guys, what's happening? What's happening? So we're gonna do our eyebrows today. We're gonna use that Maybelline Eye Studio in color Black is Black, honey. I like my eyebrows blacker than my. So we're gonna take that angle brush and we're gonna go underneath our eyebrow hairs. Okay, we want to make a very precise line. We want that eyebrow to be sharp as your daddy hairline. Okay, period. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take that same angle brush and we're gonna make our arch, honey. I like my arch to be rounded. You can make it square, triangle, however, just make your arch, baby. Make sure that arch is popping. Shut popping. So now we're gonna take our Glamouflage Hard Candy Caramel Concealer and we're going to clean up any mistakes we made. We're basically using this concealer to make it more precise. Even if you haven't made any mistakes, you just want your jank to be looking like a 3D sticker. Now I got my 𝘍𝘢𝘤𝘮 felt tip pen and I'm using this to create more of definition for my eyebrows so it can pop extremely more. Now here's our eyebrows, sis. Yes, we popping. Get it, girl. You know what I'm saying? If you guys will follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my YouTube channel, I would greatly appreciate it.